This is the AI version of Greg Hutcheon from SAP Cloud ERP and SCM Product Success Enablement with an update from the 2608 release of SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. In this video, we'll look at some upcoming features and functions to help you navigate the complexity of managing subscription-based business models and recurring revenue streams. First up, a preview of one of the most requested capabilities of subscription billing customers. To kick off the video, I'm happy to introduce subscription ramps, which will be released in Q3 of this year. Let's look at them in more detail. In B2B subscription contracts, it's common to agree upfront on a contract that evolves over time, a ramp-up phase for onboarding, an evaluation phase with adjusted pricing, or a growth-based expansion tied to usage. Until now, managing this in subscription billing required manually maintaining snapshots over time, which was time-consuming and error-prone. With SAP Subscription Billing, you can now define up to 10 ramp periods directly on a subscription at the point of creation. For each ramp, you can independently configure quantities, prices, discounts, and even switch rate plans or products. Ramp periods can be defined by calendar duration or by exact date, down to the day. All of this is editable inline in the subscription item list, so there is no need to navigate into separate screens for each change. The ramp data feeds into the billing forecast, which means revenue recognition also reflects your planned contract evolution from day one. For your B2B sales and finance teams, this is a major step forward in being able to model complex contracts the way they are actually sold. Next up, what if I told you you could set up and configure the integration of SAP Subscription Billing in a matter of minutes instead of days? If you've ever set up subscription billing from scratch, you know the challenge. Configuring master data integration, SAP Event Hub, BTP formation, and wiring everything together with S/4HANA requires deep technical expertise and typically takes days, sometimes even longer. When something breaks, it isn't always obvious where to look. With the 2608 release, I want to introduce to you how we are changing this fundamentally. SAP-managed provisioning and integration means SAP now owns, operates, and monitors all of the infrastructure that subscription billing depends on. MDI, Event Hub, BTP formations, all of it is provisioned automatically through a guided wizard in SAP for me in just a few clicks and a matter of minutes. The impact is significant. Time to value drops dramatically. Implementation risk goes down because there is no custom wiring to break and no configuration drift. An ongoing operational effort is reduced because SAP handles upgrades, patches, and connection health on your behalf. Most importantly, your business teams can move forward without depending on a lengthy IT infrastructure project. This is subscription billing as a true SaaS experience. SAP-managed provisioning and integration for subscription billing will be rolled out in one of the bi-weekly subscription billing releases in Q4 of 2026. For my third highlight, how about a new feature designed to give your finance and account teams greater visibility and clarity? With release 2608, we've released a new analytical app, display of general ledger items in contract accounting. Previously, GL accountants had no quick, direct way to view the individual line items sitting behind contract accounting postings. This new app provides fast, flexible access to GL line items, filterable by period, GL account, company code, profit center, cost center, segment, and more. Crucially, it gives you immediate visibility into posting amounts even before the transfer to the general ledger has been performed, so you're not waiting for a batch run to check your numbers. The app supports grouping and drill down, so you can quickly pivot from a high-level summary by account to a detailed view by segment or any other dimension. For accountants who regularly need to validate financial data in contract accounting, this is a significant improvement in day-to-day efficiency. Those are the three highlights for subscription billing in Release 2608. SAP-managed provisioning and integration that removes the biggest technical barrier to getting started, subscription ramps that let you model complex evolving contracts from the start, and a new general ledger items app that gives finance teams instant visibility into their contract accounting data. For further details, check out the SAP community and SAP help portal. Thank you for watching, and if you have enjoyed this product update, feel free to share it with your network. Thank you for your time.